Here's a fun little tip for making your sourdough bread extra flavorful. After you've shaped your dough and got it into the banneton, simply do a water wash on the bottom of your loaves and sprinkle sesame seeds on the bottom. This fun little tip was the idea of my daughter Rochelle. She likes to use black sesame seeds, which makes a beautiful statement on the bread. After this, I'll put these loaves in the refrigerator and retard them overnight. And then in the morning, if there's any gaps in the dough, I'll add a little bit more sesame seeds. Once you bake the loaves, the sesame seeds will be nice and toasty, and they'll taste really delicious. You'll slice into your bread, and the very bottom crust will have that nice crunch of sesame and beautiful sesame toasted flavor. So try it and see what you think.